Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you can easily check outages statistics on your Starlink. So first, what we need to do is open up the Starlink app on our device. Now we need to scroll a bit down until we see statistics, and here, as you guys can see, we need to scroll down to the bottom. Here we have the outages, and here you can easily check that, but what you need to do is basically log in to know where the service outages are in our area. But here we have the no outages information, as you guys can see. And that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.